this is Zach. Today we will learn how to read a CSV file into R. Let's suppose that you have some data that you want to analyze using R. For example, maybe you have some information about how long different mammals sleep. Your data might be stored as an Excel file, or in this case, it's a Google Sheets file. So how do we get our data into R? First, let's download the file as a comma-separated values file, or CSV file. Basically, a CSV file is a way to store a data table in plain text. Alright, when you download the file, it's stored in a particular folder or directory in your computer. In my case, my web browser automatically stores my downloads into a folder or directory called Downloads. And you can see here that the default name of the file is something a bit complicated. So I'm going to change the name to msleep to keep things simple. Alright, now that we've downloaded the file, let's try to read it into R. You can read a CSV file into R using the read CSV function. This is spelled read_CSV. This function is actually part of the defined in the read_R package. Something confusing about R is that there's another very similar read CSV function that's part of base R, and it is called the read.csv function. So the difference between these two functions is very slight. One is spelled with an underscore, that's the good one. The one spelled with the dots is the bad one. It's kind of messy, so I don't encourage that you use it. So just remember, good is read_CSV, bad is read.csv. To read a CSV file, you type read_CSV and you put in the name of the file as a string. In this case, our string is called, the file is called msleep.csv. When I pressed enter, I got an error. Why did this happen? The error says it's an error in read_CSV. We could not find the function read_CSV. I encourage you to pause the video now and take a bit of time to think about why this error occurred. So the reason why this error occurred is because we forgot to load the read_R package. Remember, you have to load a package before you can use the functions defined in that package. Let's load the tidyverse package using the library function, and this the tidyverse package automatically loads the read_R package and other packages as well. Okay, so now that we've loaded the package, let's do what we wanted to do just now and try to read the file again. Oh, we get another error. Why is my life so hard? Okay, let's calm down and carry on. The error says that msleep.csv does not exist in a current working directory. So R is working in a particular directory called the working directory, and the error message tells us that the current working directory is for R is this one. Basically, it's my home directory. And remember that the msleep.csv is currently located in my downloads directory. So the easiest way for R to access this CSV file is for me to move that file into the home directory like so. And then if I try it again, oh yes, we are in business. All right. So normally you want to save the CSV file that you read into a variable. So for example, x, that's the x equals that. All right, and then you can do different things with x and manipulate the data frame or the data table x. When you print x to the screen, you'll see that the first line says that x is a tibble, which is a nicer version of data frames. And the first number that you see, 83, tells you that this data frame has 83 rows and 11 columns. The first 5 columns are shown here, and the remaining 6 variables or columns are shown here. Alright, that's all for this video about how to read a CSV file into R. See you next time. Bye!